Today I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet cake. Now here are the ingredients. Of course, the list to all the ingredients would be down in the description. If you want to take your dry ingredients, not the sugar, make sure you just want to mix them all together. Now you use your shifter here. Now of course I was having trouble with this shifter, so I just resorted to shaking it, tapping on it to get it to work. So this little trigger thing, I don't know what happened. There I am, just shaking it vigorously, and I got it all through. Then I resorted to using a hand shifter or a strainer. Just tap it with the spoon or the side of your hand or the bowl. It works pretty good. It can be a bit messy, especially if you try to just trying to fill it up. It is kind of hard. That part is. But there are ways to do it. Once all the dry ingredients are nice and shifted, you want to set it off to the side, of course, and start mixing your wet ingredients together. Now what you want to do is cream the butter with the sugar. And yes, sugar is included in wet ingredients. And you just want to mix it all till it's nice and creamed. Add the eggs in one at a time till they're well incorporated. And you want to slowly add the oil. That should incorporate pretty soon. It takes a few moments. And the vanilla and the vinegar. And yes, that's right, vinegar. And you slowly want to add in the flour. You want to do about half now. And wait till it's fully incorporated. Add in some food coloring. We're going to add more in than this anyway, so it's fine. And add in the rest of the flour. You should just stop it every now and then just to scrape the bowl and the things to get all the flour in there as much as possible. We added more food coloring, just to bring out that red. I want to scrape the bowl. Now what I'm doing here is spraying the baking pans with non-stick spray and putting some round parchment paper on the bottom of it. This way it's easier to depan when they're done cooking. Now you just want to evenly distribute the batter between the two pans. And bake at 325 for about 30 minutes. Of course, you want to use a cake amount tester to make sure they're all done all the way through, as ovens will vary, of course. Then you want to depan it when it's still kind of hot, so it cools down out of the side of the pan. You see that it came out pretty easy. Now this one did crack, but it's fine. The frosting would fix that. This one came out a lot better. You see, super easy to pan with the parchment paper. Now I don't have footage of me frosting it because I did that on a live stream, so if you want, you could check that out. But there's also a video called Lemon Cupcakes where I make cream cheese frosting. But I do have plans of making a proper cream cheese frosting video pretty soon. So I do hope you enjoyed the food, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.